This is just a quick walkthrough. I haven't moved in yet. This was the tour that the guy gave me. So that's my bathroom. As soon as you come in, then you walk down the hallway. That's the guy showing me the apartment. I'm trying not to get his face in the camera. Here's my kitchen. I had to hit the lights. More cabinet space than I had before, but it is a studio, so it's still smaller than an average size kitchen. My microwave, my oven. Here's my little window from the kitchen to the living space, and here's the living space. This is my entire apartment. My window. I will come back and give you guys an update once I've furnished it and moved in to show you how I decided to decorate it. I have a closet and a half. This is the half. It's fairly narrow, but I can put clothes and something in there. I'll figure it out. And then this is my whole closet, which I guess is going to be where I put all my clothing. So I will come back and show you the finished product. Stay tuned.